Hi, I'm Nate, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use AI and chatbots to improve your sales. What are AI chatbots? AI chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversation with humans. They are powered by artificial intelligence, which allows them to learn and adapt over time. AI chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they are now being used by businesses of all sizes to improve their sales. How can AI chatbots improve sales? AI chatbots can improve sales in a number of ways, including providing 24/7 customer service. AI chatbots can answer customer questions and provide support 24/7, which can free up your human customer service representatives to focus on more complex tasks. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty, which can lead to increased sales. Generating leads. AI chatbots can be used to generate leads by qualifying prospects and qualifying them for your sales team. This can save your sales team time and effort, and it can help you close more deals. Closing deals. AI chatbots can be used to close deals by answering customer objections and providing personalized recommendations. This can help you close more deals faster and more easily. How to implement AI chatbots. There are a few things you need to do to implement AI chatbots in your business. Choose the right chatbot platform. There are a number of different chatbot platforms available, so you need to choose one that is right for your business. Some factors to consider include the features offered by the platform, the cost of the platform, and the level of support offered by the platform. Gather data. You need to gather data about your customers so that the chatbot can learn and adapt to their needs. This data can include things like customer demographics, customer interests, and customer purchase history. Train the chatbot. Once you have gathered data, you need to train the chatbot so that it can understand and respond to customer queries. This process can be time-consuming, but it is essential for ensuring that the chatbot is effective. Deploy the chatbot. Once the chatbot is trained, you can deploy it on your website or in your app. You should also make sure that the chatbot is integrated with your CRM system so that you can track the results of the chatbot's interactions with customers. Examples of AI chatbots in use. There are a number of companies that are using AI chatbots to improve their sales. For example, Amazon. Amazon uses AI chatbots to answer customer questions about products and provide support. The chatbots are able to understand natural language queries and provide accurate and relevant answers. This has helped Amazon to improve customer satisfaction and reduce the number of customer support tickets. Salesforce. Salesforce uses AI chatbots to qualify leads and generate sales opportunities. The chatbots are able to identify potential customers and qualify them based on their interests and needs. This has helped Salesforce to increase the number of qualified leads and close more deals. LivePerson. LivePerson uses AI chatbots to provide customer service and support. The chatbots are able to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and provide recommendations. This has helped LivePerson to improve customer satisfaction and reduce the cost of customer service. Conclusion. AI chatbots are a powerful tool that can help you improve your sales. If you are looking for a way to improve your customer service, generate leads, or close deals, then you should consider using AI chatbots. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Here are some additional information about AI chatbots and how to use them to improve sales. The benefits of using AI chatbots. AI chatbots can offer a number of benefits for businesses, including improved customer service. AI chatbots can provide 24/7 customer service, which can free up your human customer service representatives to focus on more complex tasks. Increased lead generation. AI chatbots can be used to qualify leads and generate sales opportunities. Close deals. AI chatbots can be used to close deals by answering customer objections and providing personalized recommendations. The challenges of using AI chatbots. There are also some challenges associated with using AI chatbots, including cost. The cost of implementing and maintaining an AI chatbot can be significant. Accuracy. AI chatbots can be inaccurate, which can lead to customer frustration. Adoption. Employees may be resistant to using